Hamjambo nyote. Kwa majina ni Joe Halende, Chairman, Founding Members wa UDA Party. Today we are here to confirm that one Cleo Malala has abdicated his role and his duty as the Secretary General of the ruling party. And as you are all aware, the critical role or the function of the Secretary General of UDA party is the spokesperson of the party. He communicates, initiates meetings on behalf of the party. Clearly, one Cleo Malala has joined our opponent. He is supporting the Tawe movement. He is supporting agendas that contradict the ruling party. He has gone against our party leader. He is on the forefront against the formation of broad-based government. And I'm here to confirm that he is no longer the Secretary General of UDA party. I, Joe Halende, will be taking over as the Secretary General of UDA party. Going forward, UDA party is going back to its members. UDA party was formed as people-centered party. It was not formed on individual within the party. We were formed as UDA to ensure that if we take over power, we initiate the bottom-up economic principle. But clearly, Cleo Malala has gone against UDA party. Going forward, the grassroots elections will go on as planned. Rebranding and recruitment will continue. And this is the best opportunity for us UDA members to extend an olive branch to our brothers in ODM and tell them that we are welcoming them in government. Wakuje, tujenge serikali pamoja, tuinue maisha ya wananchi kutoka bottom tukienda up, kwa hii mpangilio ambayo rais na Raila Amolo Odinga wametengeneza serikali ambayo inaitwa broad-based government. Going forward, anybody who will transact business, who will do business with one Cleo Malala, he will be doing business on his own, not as the Secretary General of UDA. Asanteni sana. Yes, the conversation to kick out the notorious man called Cleo Malala has been ongoing within the party. All the party organs are all aware of what is going on here, and we are all in line. Yes.
Maybe did you give time for him maybe to respond or to defend himself?
If you are aware, last month we issued him a letter to show cause on why he has persistently been going against the party ideals. He has failed to honor that letter of show cause, and in fact he has been on the forefront to frustrate the process of disciplining him within the party. Yes. One, as I had earlier stated, we issued a show cause letter to one Cleo Malala. He frustrated the process. The party has been doing its massive grassroots recruitment and election. He has been on the forefront to frustrate the process. They have gone ahead with other cartels within the party to be getting fake court orders to stop the party grassroots elections. So clearly, he has been a man on the run, but trying to hide his plans through frustrating the true process of ensuring that we have good election and new leadership within the party. Yes. The party leader have said categorically, the party organs, all party organs, and the party structure is well aware of what is going on right now. As a party, we are dealing with one Cleo Malala for today. When we will be there, We will deal with it. Yes.